Welcome back to Automotive Solutions. Today I have a Hyundai Tucson 2006 2-litre diesel with no wipers. When I turn the wipers on and off, you can hear the relays clicking in the relay box in the corner there. You can put it on intermittent, you'll hear it clicking away. So I've gone straight to the motor under the windscreen area. Managed to find the wiring colours and found the grounds, which one's low speed, high speed, earth, etc. So I'm on one connection on earth, one on the low speed. I've got an amp clamp around there. I've got a couple of bulbs linked in to put a bit of load on there. I think it's about 6 amps they draw. I've got a meter, check the voltage, and obviously this is the amp clamp. So I will pop the power on and see what happens. Let's see, bulbs are burning nice and brightly. 6.4 amp draw and battery voltage. So this is going to need a motor. I will try it on the high speed, but the motor doesn't respond on anything. So I've changed it over to high speed. Switch the wipers on high. Still got the same current draw and battery voltage there. So looking like a wiper motor on this. So I've now changed and connected directly to the motor on earth and high speed. Got power probe. Power probe connected. Let's see if there's any response to the motor. No. That motor is dead, so it's going to require a new motor. Okay, back on the Hyundai, got a new motor. That's installed, all pretty straightforward stuff, and got the amp clamp on there. Just going to see, out of interest, what a new motor draws. There's no blades on the screen at the moment. I just want to see what sort of current it draws. And that's at full speed and about 3.4 amps. All sounds pretty nice and quiet. So diagnosis of a new motor was the correct one, and thanks very much for watching. I'll be doing some more videos soon, hopefully, so if you like this, please hit like. If you want to subscribe, feel free to subscribe. There'll be more videos coming. Thanks again. Bye now.